Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. Let's dive into the incredible 2025 lifestyle of Jung Ho Seok, better known as J-Hope of BTS. From his early and family and success to untold story, here is a closer look at the life of this global superstar. Early life of J-Hope. Jung Ho Seok, formerly known as J-Hope, was born on February 18, 1994 in Gwangju, South Korea. Before debuting as a member of BTS, he was an active participant in local dance competitions, which helped shape his artistry. Growing up in a sportive family, his passion for dance and music was evident from a young age. Let me know about his career. J-Hope joined Big Hit Entertainment in 2010 as a trainee and made his debut with BTS in 2013. Known for his dynamic dance moves, rap skills, and vibrant energy, he quickly became a fan favorite. Beyond his work with BTS, J-Hope was built a successful solo career. His first mixtape, Hop World 2018, received critical acclaim, showcasing his unique style and versatility. In 2022, he released his solo album, Jack in the Box, further cementing his place as a multi-talented artist. Education of J-Hope. J-Hope studied at the Global Cyber University, majoring in broadcasting and entertainment. His commitment to education demonstrates his dedication to both personal growth and his craft, even amidst a busy schedule. Family of J-Hope. J-Hope comes from a loving family, including his parents and an older sister, Jung Ji-woo, who is a successful entrepreneur and influencer. His family has always supported his dreams, and he often credits from them for his grounded personality. Let me know about his marital status. As of 2025, J-Hope is not married and is known to keep his personal relationships private. Fans admire his focus on his career and his ability to balance his public and private life gracefully. Ethnicity of Jung Ho Seok. Jung Ho Seok, popularly known as J-Hope, is of Korean ethnicity. Born and raised in Gwangju, South Korea, he is a part of ethnically homogeneous Korean population. As a member of BTS, J-Hope has proudly represented Korean culture on the global stage, incorporating elements of traditional Korean art, dance, and language into his work. Let me know about his social media fans following. J-Hope has an immense global fan base, often referred to as hobby-based armies. His Instagram account @UArmyHop boasts millions of followers, where he shares glimpses of his life, including his studio session, fashion, and travel. He is also active on Weverse and other BTS platforms, engaging directly with fans. Let me know about his some facts. Fact number 1. He was a member of underground dance team called Neuron before joining BTS. Fact number 2. J-Hope is known as the sunshine of BTS for his cheerful and optimistic personality. And fact number 3. He has a deep love for fashion and often experiments with bold styles. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. As of 2025, J-Hope's estimated net worth is around $40 million, primarily earned through his music, endorsements, and collaborations. His solo ventures and contributes to BTS' global success have made him one of the wealthiest K-pop idols. Jung Ho Seok's journey from a small-town dancer to a global superstar is nothing short of inspiring. His dedication, talent, and humility continue to win hearts of millions worldwide. So, thanks for joining me on his journey into Jung Seok's inspiring 2025 lifestyle, family, and success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.